Hello, Papa Jalen's Excel here. So in this video, I'm going to teach you about number versus text. Okay, as well as by using the value function. Okay, so there's a difference between number and text. Okay, what do I mean? So remember that in the previous video when I was teaching about VLOOKUP, I encountered this problem, right? So everything is yes over here, but as you know, if the goals are less than 100, it should be no. Okay, so what happened over here? Okay, let's revisit this. Okay, so as you can see, all these we are doing a VLOOKUP. Okay, so the VLOOKUP is on this table over here, right? Okay, let me just shift this a little bit. So it's on this table over here. Okay, so we do a VLOOKUP on these 4 columns. Okay, so what happened over here is for text is always left aligned unless you do formatting. Okay, so we shall not talk about the alignment of left, center, or right. Over here, we are just talking about the default alignment. So the default alignment for text is left hand side. So as you can see, all these are text. They are on the left hand side. Okay, for all these numbers, it's on the left hand side, but they are numbers, right? So what happened over here? You can see that the top left hand corner there's a green triangle over here, and there's a warning sign. So when you click the warning sign, right? Okay, it says number stored as text. Okay, number is stored as text. Because we pull these numbers, we pull this table out from the website. Okay, so these numbers are stored as text. So you want to convert this text into numbers. Okay. Okay, so what we do over here is we just highlight everything over here. Okay, and then we click the warning sign. Then we click convert to numbers. Okay, now everything will be shifted to the right. Now it's text. Okay, you don't have an error message anymore. Okay, and if you go back to the VLOOKUP or this, right, VLOOKUP or this table over here or this tab over here, now we have the desired results we want, right? So yeah, okay, let's copy this. So as you can see, now it's on the right hand side. Okay, so but let's say in the case where we don't want to fix this thing, right? We want to just let it be a text. Let it be a text. So what we can do over here is we can use the function value. Okay, so what do I mean? Okay, so you can type equals to value. Okay, means converts a string that represents a number to a number. So this is actually a number, but it's in a string form. Okay, so we can just type value, and we shall convert this into a number. So notice that this is on the left hand side, this is on the right hand side. So this is text and this is number. Okay, so we can do this. Okay, we can embed all the value function inside, right? Okay, so what we can do is we can just type value, right? Value. Okay, now you have it. So you need to type value for value. And value. Okay, then just copy everything. Yes, so now we also have the answer. So you can do this by putting the value function over here, or you can go back to the original table and click on this and click on convert to number. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is Papa Jalen's Excel here. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel below, and I will do more videos for you. Thank you very much. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.